So what we're going to be doing today is creating and saving a cookbook. In this video we shall be searching for a recipe, and we're going with the creamy chocolate overnight oats. We like this recipe and we're going to save it for later. So click on the drop down menu bar, add to cookbook, and select from existing cookbook. The next thing we will be doing is creating a similar recipe with a new cookbook. We will be searching for the breakfast bowls, and now all your breakfast bowls will come up on the screen. Let's go with the super cacao smoothie bowl. When you scroll down, you can now add it to a new cookbook. You can add a picture from your laptop. Let it load. Fit it to the screen. Don't forget to name your cookbook and describe your cookbook. You can now add more recipes to your cookbook as shown on the screen. You can choose what kind of menu it is if you need to. You can choose the cuisine, also the level of difficulty. You can save the recipe to your private collection or publish the cookbook for all to see. Thank you for watching this tutorial.